Bluebook Test 2, Module 2 Hard, question 22. In the given quadratic function, a and c are constants, the graph of y equals f of x in the xy plane is a parabola that opens upward and has a vertex at the point h, k, where h and k are constants. This part says that f of negative 9 equals f of 3, and that's going to enable us to find the x-coordinate of the vertex, because this is saying that when x equals negative 9, the y output is the same as when x equals 3. That means that the x-coordinate of the vertex is the midpoint of negative 9 and 3, so we can average those values to find the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative 3. This question shows how important it is to understand all forms of a quadratic equation. Now that we know the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative 3, we can plug that into our formula for the x-coordinate of the vertex taken from a quadratic equation in standard form, negative b over 2a. Plugging in, we get negative 4 over 2a equals negative 3. We cross multiply and find that a equals 2/3. 2/3 is less than 1, so we can eliminate Roman numeral 2. Next, we want to find out if c must be less than 0. We can type our equation into Desmos with the a value we just calculated. Then we can add a slider for c. Remember that the question said that the k value is less than 0, meaning that the y-coordinate of the vertex of the parabola is negative or below 0. As we manipulate our slider for c, we're looking to determine if c must be less than 0 in order for the y-coordinate of the vertex to be below the x-axis. We can see that when c is less than 6, the y-coordinate of the vertex is negative. Comparing that to Roman numeral 1, we see that it is not necessary for the c value to be below 0. Instead, the c value can be below 6 and still create a k value for the y-coordinate of the vertex that is less than 0. So the correct answer is neither 1 nor 2, answer choice D. You could have used the discriminant as well, but that would be time-consuming and could introduce more human errors. Lastly, I'll show you how College Board approached solving for a. They recommend plugging the h term, negative 3, into the vertex form of the quadratic equation, and then expanding it as I've done here. Then set the linear terms equal to each other to solve for a. 4x equals 6ax. We find that a is 2/3. Then plug that in to determine the value of c. c equals 9a plus k. 9 times 2/3 plus k equals c. We're given that k is less than 0, and if that's true, then c is less than 6, but could be between 6 and 0, so the correct answer is neither 1 nor 2, answer choice D.